Another moment to say once again mahalo to Kamaʻāina and the Friends of ʻIolani Palace, and to all of you for being here today for Kamaʻāina Sunday. And I wanted to also invite you to our regular concerts that we have here on Friday afternoons at noontime. Come and join us here, and for more information about the Royal Hawaiian Band and our schedule of events, you can find that at our website, rhb-music.com. Well, we know that next week Sunday is Easter, but after that will be the Merry Monarch Festival, and so all eyes were turned to Hilo. And with that in mind, we do for you this song that was composed on the eve of a 10-day trip that the Royal Hawaiian Band took to Hilo with ʻIolani in 1881. Originally titled Ke'ala Tuberose, we now know this as the Hilo March. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful audience. Anytime the Royal Hawaiian Band is in concert, it is due to the support of the City and County of Honolulu City Council and our Mayor Rick Blangiardi. Without their support, we wouldn't be able to do what we love to do, which is bring music into our community and play music for all of you.